In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Lark password. If you've forgotten your sign-in details or just want to secure your account with a fresh credential, this walkthrough will take you from the login screen to signing back in with confidence. Start by opening the Lark app on your device, or visit the Lark website in your browser. When you reach the sign-in page, pause for a moment to make sure you're on the official Lark screen and that your internet connection is stable. This helps avoid timeouts while you reset. Next, select Forgot Password. This option appears right below the fields where you usually enter your email or phone. Tapping it opens the recovery flow. You'll now be asked to enter your registered email address or phone number. Type the one linked to your Lark account. Double-check for typos, and if you choose a phone number, confirm the correct country code. Using the exact contact you originally set up ensures the system can find your account. Choose Send Reset Link or tap Next to proceed. Lark will send you a verification by email or SMS, depending on what you entered. Give it a moment to arrive. Open your email inbox or your text messages and look for the Lark message. If you don't see it right away, refresh your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, and make sure your device has reception. Reset links and codes often expire after a short time, so open the newest message and use it promptly. If it's a link, tap it to open the secure reset page. If it's a code, return to Lark and enter the code exactly as shown. On the Create New Password screen, enter a strong new password. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid obvious phrases, and don't reuse an old password. Then confirm the new password by typing it again. Matching both fields prevents accidental mistakes. Select Reset. Password to save your changes. You should see a confirmation that the reset succeeded. Finally, go back to the sign-in page and log in with your new password. Consider using a trusted password manager to store it safely and only turn on Remember Me on personal devices. Once signed in, you're all set. That's it. Quick, secure, and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide while you complete your own reset.